In the petrochemical environment where we operate mostly, there's a common recurrence of equipment that is operating past the design life or with some damage mechanism, metal loss, cracking, deformation, bulges, anything like that. We focus on extending the life of equipment using simulation. Half of an engineer's job is calculations and the other half is decision making. Decision making is quite difficult if you don't have the correct information or the correct tools. Now, you can do visual inspections as much as you like. You cannot say something is safe without actually analyzing that equipment. We use simulation to go from a 3D scan, which is the actual geometry of the equipment, to a result where we can say, listen, this equipment is safe or it's not safe, or make all the decisions in between to get it safe. We've evaluated a few different CAD and simulation packages over the past few years, and using SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium, I can make an informed decision if I've got 90% accuracy or 99% accuracy. Over time, I've built experience and know what the software can do, and I'm comfortable with the result to make that choice. In 2023, we had a request to design a tank for fabrication. So this tank is 14 meters diameter and about 16 meters high. The fabricator decided, but we can save some money and some time. Instead of building it on site, let's build it in the shop because it's faster, more controllable, and transport it 50 kilometers to site. We had some challenges in designing the lifting lugs. We had to design the lifting frame itself because we need to transport everything. We created the CAD in a shell model with some lifting lugs that we're going to use. So we set up the entire simulation to replicate or represent what we will see in reality. The result was a stress plot and displacement plot where we can evaluate if the components have sufficient strength to withstand the force. It benefits the customer by swiftly getting to a result, by swiftly addressing the problem. If we spend too much time on getting the tool to work or making a choice based on the information we have without the correct tool, the client would end up spending more money on downtime or spending money unnecessarily on repairs or alterations, which is not needed. So getting to a decision swiftly as possible saves time, saves money, and ends up with a happy client. As an engineer, you need to make decisions based on the information at hand. What's the time impact? What's the cost impact? What's the risks involved? In choosing SOLIDWORKS, just follow the same process. That's how we ended up using SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium.